the Filipino people must help us.
Ah.
We will work together to get back what is ours so that our economic crisis in the Philippines be solved.
Kanina po nanawagan ang Pangulong Aquino at naisa yung papawid namin dito sa aming himpilan ngayong umaga na kayo po ay sinasabi na dapat sumuko na, magbalik na dito sa Pilipinas upang hindi na lumalapay ang naturang gulo dyan sa lugar sa Sabah.
Hindi naman kami pupunta rito to make war, no. Since we believe this place belongs to us, we come here to live in our own place. Why? Because this issue started from the late President Macapagal, Diosdado Macapagal. To the present time, nothing had been done. So what we did, we decided to come, since this is owned by the Sultan's constituent, to live here, but not to make trouble with anybody here. Not unless they will come and provoke.
Kayo po ba ay coordinated o may koordinasyon dito po kay Sultan Jamalul Kiram III? Inyong kapatid?
Oh, yes. Yes, yes.
At ano
That's
po ang
why,
advice?
For us to stick. For us to stay until resolved. Because we believe if we will return back to the Philippines, that will be lots of trouble between us in our native homeland. Why? Because of so many, alam mo naman ang maraming magsasabi, hindi na maano namin, we cannot accept it. And also, if we will go home, we will start again from zero regarding the issue.
Si Sultan Jamalul Kiram III nagkaroon po ng pagkakataon na makausap si Vice President Jojo Binay the other day. Ano ba ang balita na nakuha ninyo mula doon?
Okay naman. Yan sila. We are only waiting. Anyway, they are there to work for whatever necessary things to do in order so long it is within the rules and regulation of the international law.
Sir, nais naming i-verify ito. May suporta ho ba kayong natatanggap sa mga residente mismo ng Sabah?
Yes, before, when they don't stop coming here, there are lots of support. Even this time, only they are waiting when will they will pull out the checkpoint here.
Mayroon ho ba rin
Even from Kuala Lumpur, our Filipino brother who are now there, they contacted me. They are ready to support us.
Yung Malaysian nationals dyan sa Sabah, mayroon din ho ba kayong natatanggap na suporta?
Oh yes, because we have lots of relatives also from who are now a Malaysian citizen here.
Tama po ba na may mga relatives din ho kayo na nasa local government units na ng Sabah?
Oh yes, yes.
At ang iba ay nasa armed forces at nasa naval forces dyan sa Sabah?
Oh yes.
Kaano
to remind you, we have been here way back to 1970 with my late father. When my father was invited by the late Tunku Abdul Rahman, the first Prime Minister of Malaysia, to come over with the good promises. Now, after that, even I was working as ADO in Kudat at that time. But when we noticed that the promises were only in vain, and they are more interested in monetary settlement, wherein my father is not in favor in the family, and there are threats to grab the necessary document we have in our possession. So we decided to escape from Malaysia in 1980, and I was the one who patronized the motor run.
Alright, sir, nakikinig ngayon ang Palasyo ng Malacanang. Kung kayo ibibigyan ng pagkakataon, ano po ang mensahe ninyo kay Pangulong Noynoy Aquino?
Oh, we just hope our president, since we are a Filipino, not unless they will not consider us a Filipino, but if he will, then we are hoping for the help of our president.